So to apply a filter, we're going to go here, apply data filter, operators, and go back to data items. So to see that the employees are still active, we're going to do employee status, and then employee status equals, and here we're going to type active. For the second one, we want to do it in the sales department, so department in X, and sales. We're going to change the employee country to geographic and change it to country or 2 letters, 100% mapped. So now it wants us on page 4 to create a geocoordinate map. So to answer the question, we maximize this. The 2 countries with the most total profit are the US and Germany. Now we're going to do average profit, maximize it again, more than most profit, most average profit is France. So that completes this one. We're going to close. We're going to open 3.4a for the next exercise. On page 5, it wants us to create a tree map. Which is here. We're going to create a new hierarchy. We want the company, job title, and the group. Change the title to employee hierarchy. So when we expand this, we can answer the questions. Which 2 companies have the highest average profit generated? So to sort the average profit, we're going to go here, So as we can see here, the Orion France and Orion USA have the highest average profit. So we're going to click on Orion France now and maximize it. And for the highest average profit in years of service, the answer is sales rep 4. So finishes this one. And for the last exercise, we're going to go to practice 3.4b. So the correlation for total orders and total profit is this square right here. It's a strong relationship, and it has a correlation of roughly 87%. Now I want a scatter plot. So it says, do you notice any difference in job titles? There seems to be an equal representation of sales rep 1, 2, and 3. And that concludes SAS Viya 6.